Press the cam buckle on the strap with your thumb and grasp the yellow adjustment tab with the other hand. Pull back on the buckle and pull the adjustment tab up along the strap as if you're using a bow and arrow. From there, we can repeat on the other side, making sure that the handles are even.
All right, good job, Bianca. For many exercises, like this TRX squat that Doug is doing, you're going to want to adjust the TRX to a mid-length position. So Doug, why don't you finish up this last repetition and take us through exactly how to adjust the TRX to the mid-length.
In order to lengthen the TRX, simply grab one cam buckle in each hand, simultaneously to press down on the cam buckles, and pull down and away from the anchor points until the adjustment tabs reach the two mid-length yellow marks. When your TRX is at mid-length, the foot cradle should be about 12 inches off the ground.
Great work, Doug. Ground-based exercises on a TRX are a great way to build core strength and upper body strength. The foot cradles on the TRX allow us to perform these exercises from two different positions. We can work in a supine position or face up, like Doug is doing with these hamstring curls, or from a prone position or face down, like we're seeing Bianca do with this atomic push-up. For these and most ground-based TRX exercises, you're going to need to put your feet in the foot cradles. So, while we let Bianca knock out another set of these atomic push-ups, Doug and I are going to take you through exactly how to put your heels in the foot cradles. Now, to begin with, what you're going to have to do is adjust the TRX so the bottom of the foot cradles are at mid-calf level, or about 8 inches from the ground. Having the TRX adjusted to this height is going to allow for a perfect platform to challenge the core with any progression.
Again, we want to lengthen the TRX by simultaneously depressing down on the cam buckles and pulling down and away from the anchor point until the foot cradles reach about 8 inches off the ground or sit just above your toes while you're in the seated position.
To put your heels into the TRX, you'll sit facing the TRX and hold each foot cradle with your thumbs. The foot cradles should hang just above the tip of your feet. Lie backward onto the ground and simultaneously place both heels into the foot cradles. And now you can extend your legs just like Doug, and you're ready to go. So now let's go over to Bianca and talk a little bit about how to adjust the TRX to get your toes into it. As you saw before, she was doing the atomic push-up, which is a great exercise to build upper body, shoulder, and core strength. Just as before with Doug, we're going to want to adjust the TRX so the bottom of the foot cradles are 8 inches from the ground. This means that they should be just brushing the tops of your toes while you sit underneath it. This is going to make sure that your toes don't drag along the ground as you're doing the exercise, or that your legs aren't too high in the air. Now, sit facing the TRX. Place your right foot toes first into the left foot cradle, just like Bianca. Cross your left foot over the right and place it into the right foot cradle. Roll over with your hands and knees on the floor, allowing your feet to rotate inside the foot cradles.